May default setting tayo na strong mode, naka-on. Kahit ubus na tayo o lugmok ka na, ikaw ang laging tinatawagan, laging may sagot, laging bahala na. Pero bihira kang tanungin ng kamusta ka na yung totoo. At kung magtanong man, ang sagot natin automatically okay lang kahit hindi naman. My dear Filipino family, whether you're in the US, the Philippines, the Middle East, Europe, Asia, or still na-stuck dyan sa Manila Airport na may delayed flight, welcome po sa RTR Global, Real Talk with Rod. This is for every Filipino who has struggled, sacrificed, loved deeply, stumbled, stood up, and kept going. Because that's who we are. Matitibay po tayo, maalaga, minsan pasaway, pero laging may puso at pag-asa. Dito, pag-uusapan natin ang life, money, family, love, healing, purpose, dignity, at minsan yung mga ayaw nating pag-usapan pero kailangan na talaga. Wala tayong arte dito, wala tayong filter. Totoo lang, para lang tayong magkakaibigan, nagkukwentuhan, may kape, o wine, depende sa stress level. More than a show, I hope RTR Global becomes a home. A place where you feel understood, supported, and empowered. Because you're not alone. Welcome to Real Talk with Rod. Life, money, and everything in between. You know, I've noticed something. Marami sa atin okay sa panlabas eh. May trabaho, pwede kang sa nurse or ininyero, may responsibilidad. May title pa minsan, di ba? Manager, COO. People look at us and they say, okay naman siya. Pero pag uwi mo sa bahay, pag tahimik na ang telepono, pag wala na nag-aabang ng sagot mo, doon lumalabas ang tanong, ang pagod, overthinking, at minsan hindi mo pa nga alam kung ano ang problema. Alam mo lang na pagod ka na, hindi physically, kundi emotionally. Especially sa kultura natin, sanay tayong maging strong. Kaya mo yan. Ka nang magreklamo. Yung iba nga, mas mahirap ang buhay. Totoo naman, di ba? Pero minsan naisip ko, parang may default setting tayo na strong mode, naka-on. Kahit ubus na tayo o lugmok ka na, ikaw ang laging tinatawagan, laging may sagot, laging bahala na. Pero bihira kang tanungin ng kamusta ka na yung totoo. At kung magtanong man, ang sagot natin automatically okay lang kahit hindi naman. Let's be honest, life gets heavy. Money gets stressful. Relationships get complicated. Minsan sabay-sabay pa. Parang group chat ng problema na lahat gusto ay mag-reply ka kagad ngayon. And when that happens, ang instinct natin is, ayusin ko lahat ng problema sa budget, sa pamilya, sa career, sa sarili. Pero the truth is, trying to fix everything at once is usually why nothing moves. Either pinipilit natin tapos napapagod or nagpe-pretend na lang tayo na okay lahat. Neither one works. I tell you that. I want to share something simple with you. Hindi ito isang sistema, hindi ito formula, at lalong hindi ito sermon. I call it the RTR reset. Think of it like this, hindi ka broken. Hindi mo kailangan ng overhaul. Minsan kailangan mo lang i-off muna, tapos i-on ulit ng maayos. First, reflect. This is just asking yourself, ano nga ba talaga ang mabigat ngayon? Not your whole life, not lahat ng problema mula pagkabata mo. Isa lang, because sometimes we say, pagod ako sa lahat. Pero pag tinanong mo ng maayos, lalabas na hindi ka pagod sa lahat. Pagod ka lang sa isang ulit-ulit na bagay. At once malinaw na yon, mas gumagaan na agad ng konti ang ating pakiramdam. Clarity is underrated. Second, release. Ito yung part na medyo masakit eh. Release means asking, anong expectation ang dala-dala ko na hindi ko na dapat dala? Minsan, expectation ng pamilya, ikaw ang magpaaral kay bunso. Minsan, ng ibang tao. Minsan, sarili nating gawa. At minsan, honest lang tayo. May dala tayong pressure na hindi naman tayo ang nag-sign up. Release doesn't mean wala kang pakialam. It means may limit ka. At yes, allowed yun. Third, realign. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa sarili ko minsan. Hindi na po yung tao na kailangan ng parehong bagay tulad ng dati. And that's not failure. That's growth. What mattered in your 20s might not matter now, di ba? What mattered 5 years ago, baka hindi na ngayon. Hindi ka nagbago kasi mahina ka, nagbago ka kasi may natutunan ka. And finally, restart. Ito ang paborito ko. Kasi ito ang pinaka-practical. Restart doesn't mean big announcement, big decision, big drama. Restart is one small step, one boundary, one honest conversation, one decision na tahimik lang. Pero para sa'yo, hindi kailangan perfect. Kailangan lang gumalaw. So if you're watching this thinking, Rod, ang dami kong kailangan ngayong ayusin. Let me say this gently. Hindi mo naman kailangan ayusin ang buong buhay mo ngayon. Maybe today is not about fixing anything. Maybe today is just about understanding yourself a little better, being a little kinder to yourself, and admitting na pagod na rin pala ako. And that's okay. In the next episode of RTR, we'll talk about money without shame, pressure without judgment, love, boundaries, burnout, and starting over. But for today, gusto ko lang pong sabihin ito. If you're tired of pretending you're okay, this space is for you. Welcome to Real Talk with Rod. Life, money, and everything in between.